Hope you all doing great. If you are watching me for the first time, I'm Sana and you're watching Sana Work. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I created this dramatic eye look with 3D falsies, and this is a purple based eye look. So yeah, if you wanna know how I created this, let's begin the video. So yeah, I have already done my eye base, so let's start with the eyeshadow. The palette which I'm gonna use today is Makeup Revolution's Tummy X Carnival palette. Actually, it has a lots of colorful shades. Today I'm gonna use this purple shade. Actually, in this palette it has a different name. Just place it on your crease line and smudge. And after that, take some more products and apply it on your base, that means eyelids. After that, take this black shade in an angular brush and apply it on your wing and the outer V corner as like I shown in this video, and smudge it with the same brush which you used before. And now I'm gonna take this shimmery violet shade, little bit darker from that purple, so that will be great on the outer corner. So I'm taking that with a normal smudge brush. Here I'm using the same brush which I used previously for that purple shade. So I'm taking the violet in this brush and place it on the outer V corner and smudging little bit. You can build it up how much you need pigmentations like that. And now I'm taking this purple shimmery shade for eyelids. You can see how pigmented is this. One of the favorite shade in this palette. Just apply it with fingers, that will give a more pigmentations and great finish. Again, I'm taking the same brush and smudge it all over on the outer V corners and the crease lines. And with the angular brush, I'm just creating a soft wing with the same violet shade. That's it. I'm gonna do it on other side. So I'm done both the side. Now the exciting part is I'm gonna use this Pop Eye eyeliner from Swiss Beauty. They have mentioned high pigmentation, long lasting, smudge proof, transfer proof. So today we're gonna check this. This is how the packaging looks. The packaging is matte finish and the lid is in silver base. Actually, the pigmentation is good enough, you can see in this. In one swipe, the pigmentation looks great. Now I'm gonna do wing in the middle of the lids with a black eyeliner. And for the outer wing, I'm using this purple shade. Actually, what happened, that was not looking great when you apply directly on the eyeshadows. And so I decided to remove that eyeliner, decided to make a black wing only. So like that, I have done wings in the both eyes. Now I'm gonna apply, and yeah, I have done my base in off cam, full face makeup. Now I'm taking this black shade and the purple shade together, mixing up with each other and applying on my lower lids. And now let's apply this Pop Eye eyeliner from the Swiss Beauty. Here I am just applying below my black wing eyeliner. As you can see, always be patient while doing your eyeliner, cause that is a best thing on your makeup. And applying same Pop Eye eyeliner in the inner corner. And also in the lower lash line, not on waterline. I am just applying on my lower lash line. So yeah, that's it. This is how it looks. And now for waterline, I'm not gonna use black kajal. Here I'm using NY by white kajal. That will give a more dramatic look. So you can see how it looks. And I'm doing my brows. I'm just dusting out excess powder foundation, that's it. And I have done my lips in off cam, and now I'm applying the highlighter and blushes, that's it. And the highlighter on the highlighting areas like cheekbones, brow bones and nose, like that. And that's it. I have done my full face and came with the falsies. So yeah, this is my dramatic face looks like. How it looks, tell me in the comment section if you liked it or not. So let's meet you on next video. Bye bye.